Are you eligible for the Agent 301 airdrop? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your friend, CryptoHook, and today we've got some exciting updates about the Agent 301 airdrop. But before we dive into that, I have a giveaway for you. I'm giving away $60 to one lucky viewer, and you don't need to do anything special to participate, just follow these simple steps. Watch the video until the end. Like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below telling me, why do you want dollars? Once we hit 300 likes, I'll randomly pick a winner for the $60 prize. Now, let's get into today's topic, airdrops, one of the coolest and easiest ways to earn free cryptocurrency and rewards. Airdrop campaigns have become a great way for blockchain projects to bring in new users and expand their community, and Agent 301 is no different. After the huge success of NOT Coin, the world of airdrops has only gotten bigger. And now, Agent 301 is here, grabbing the attention of millions. This project is packed with exciting features, rewards, and ways for users to earn. But what exactly is Agent 301, and how can you join the airdrop? Introducing Agent 301 Airdrop. Agent 301 is a brand new platform in the crypto world, similar to Dogs, which launched in August 2024. However, unlike Dogs, where rewards were based on how long you stayed on the platform, Agent 301 rewards you based on your interaction level and the messages you exchange. Here's how to participate. Join the bot, link in the description. Click Start and select Play to enter the game. Once you're in, you'll start earning points for every message you send on Telegram. These points, called Agent Points, AP, are crucial for leveling up and unlocking rewards. You'll see your current score on the screen, and as you engage more, you'll collect more points. Boost your points with Telegram stars. In the Boost section, you can level up even faster by spending Telegram stars, Telegram's in-game currency. Here's what you can get. 150,000 AP for 100 Telegram stars. 1,750,000 AP for 1,000 Telegram stars. 50 million AP for 20,000 Telegram stars. The more agent points, AP, you earn, the better your chances of getting bigger rewards in the airdrop. Check your rank on the leaderboard. If you're competitive, check out the leaderboard to see where you stand. Top players are ranked based on their agent points, and you can see how you compare to over 4.2 million agents already participating. Spin the wheel for extra rewards. In the wheel section, use your earned tickets to spin and win rewards like Not Coin Not, Ton Coin, extra tickets, agent points, AP. Try your luck and grab some of these awesome prizes. Earn more tickets and points in the gifts and tasks sections. Want even more rewards? Head to the gifts section to earn extra tickets by joining the Bird airdrop, watching promotional videos, claiming your daily gift, inviting friends, 2 tickets per friend. And don't forget the tasks section, where you can complete simple tasks like watching videos, posting stories, and inviting friends to earn tons of extra agent points. Invite friends and earn more AP. In the friends section, invite others to the game and earn 500 AP for each friend who joins. The more friends you invite, the faster you'll climb the leaderboard and score bigger rewards. Frequently asked questions. Is the Agent 301 airdrop legitimate? While it's hard to say for sure with any airdrop, Agent 301 seems legitimate, with an active team and regularly updated channels. When is the Agent 301 airdrop happening? The exact date hasn't been announced yet, but keep an eye on their official channels for updates. What's the price of the Agent 301 token? The token price will be revealed during the airdrop distribution. Stay tuned for more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the CryptoHook channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Agent 301 airdrop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.